Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at our day. I'll be leaving earlier today, so not gonna be able to join you for the closing of the market. I don't think it's a great idea actually to take an incidence of the levels. And it doesn't look like we're gonna get a volume. We're like 2 hours away, and it's massive. We'll see though. This thing, the volume distribution was not good. We had to work through transition extreme and it flew away. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah. I was obsessed with that song. So okay, so this would have worked. It was like too far beyond the um not yet. Too far beyond the 5 minute model. That's why I didn't take it. I saw it. Volume distribution was good. Because reaction bar and still it was a level. Then yeah. Yeah. I had my excuses to miss this trade. Um, I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah. If this is a continuation of the trend, and we have this. Interesting. Would it help us if we, yes, for sure. That would be another, consideration not to trade in continuation of the trend, including this thing. I want to get away. Yeah, everything was kind of yelling not to touch it. Um, not to touch it. Looks like a correction, and I'm not running in front of the train. And I see difference in between jumping in front of the train and running ahead of the train rather by putting this level here. It's counter trend. It's only good till 0.5 and it's already been there. So forget it. Yep. Until it goes higher. Oh, it's getting close. Very tempting to close my position for better or worse. For better or worse. Patience, my friends. And one bar reversal. Did we ever have we ever believed in that? No, we didn't. And it's too late for me to start. It's too late to teach an old dog new tricks. Yeah. I want to get away. I'll fly away. Yeah, yeah. It was a break. It was the break. Dun, 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 dun. No, it wasn't. Regardless, that's a break. And therefore, forget it. No, forget it. And Yandex. Yandex had to split and keep like the Russian part of the business in Russia and global slash European part of the business in the Netherlands. So it's a break. Yeah, you see, that was insane. Yeah, that was a trade, but I think everything was checking out still, but it's a good volume. I wouldn't be proud of myself taking trades like that. Pride is a bad feeling though, anyway, so I wouldn't be glad. So right there. Oh wait, hold on. I'm making my appointment. Damn. I'd forgotten. Right there. You guys remind me I need to make an appointment. I got so excited. 18. Uh, can we put it? Can I put it in the side? Eh, not really. Okay, I'll just swap them. I'm sorry if it affects your vision. Does it look horrible like this? Not really, it's all right, I think. Sorry, have to make my appointment. Where were I? At Fang. Fang is good. Fang, strengths and weakness, but 0.5 also. That's a little bit of a problem. That's a little bit of a problem. The rest is good. It is coincidence of the levels. Volume distribution is not the best. There is some volume in T1. It's also another reason to work through transitioning Strom. It's trend though on daily. It's trend and therefore is our friend. Oh yeah, and this is good volume. Am I taking this trade? You guys. That volume had been tested already. We got some volume on the, not the biggest volume, but you know, something. On 1 hour, this is the biggest volume. Is it though? Last hour, not the last hour. We have a bigger volume. It's a good volume though. And that looks like this volume is respected by 5 minutes. Yeah, I think it's a go after test. We can do a little quickie on Fang. Though this is indecisive. Let's describe our trade regardless. Suppose it's gonna be here after the test. Counter trend, long impulse, neutral zone. Correction. Yeah. Log book. It's 13th. It's a day trade. And it's a Fang. And oops. It's a counter trend. And it doesn't look good. The good news is it's too far. Monthly. Same thing. It's a trend trade, it's a short impulse, it's a resistant bar below break under ice test level. It's a resistance zone, it's a weak approach. I can't say it's a weak approach. But I can say the opposite. It's a strong approach because we already have approach. One to correction, and we have a closed volumed up thrust. And now we are on test. The favorite Richard's Wyckoff's setup. Short amount resistance bar level. Resistance of strong approach, one to correction. Everything is in there except that on yearly we already achieved 0.5, we already reached 0.5. So it's a trend trade and we have an up thrust. Things changed since we were setting up Fang for the last time. It was before it closed the. So good, we need at least 2 bars. Okay, D. D is a trend trade. It's a short, is it a short impulse? Short impulse. It's a T2 manipulated T2 level, which makes it weaker. That's a little bit of a problem here too, because it's been already manipulated, the T2. Um, is this strong approach? I don't know. There is no exhaustion level yet. That's it. Point to correction. Correction. 50% correction. Gosh, that's the word I was looking for this entire time. And it's also a resistance zone. Resistance zone. Approach, we don't know yet. They needs to close, but it looks like it's not gonna be volumed. And it doesn't matter because oh no, that's not what I meant. It doesn't matter because it's been already manipulated. Don't be mistaken. Once the level has been already manipulated, it's done. Boom. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. It's gone. This guy is gone. Just missed it. So can go. Still could go. Hmm. probably good up to here within the range. And yeah. Could I see it coming? Yeah, you can always enter disregarding the test resumption of the just enough of this weakness. However, also this volume. Oh, it's interesting. It's weird though, right? What it does now. Why did it not go? Uh, okay, I'm in on this guy. Wait, what? Uh, I'm filled at okay. Yeah, and this tail is not good, I think. Um, okay. Um, I'm in for better or worse. Okay, let's continue with the logbook. So it's hectic. I'm doing multiple things right now, which is not good. But yeah, um, 1 hour, 1 hour says mm, counter trend trade. It's a long impulse. It's a volumed transitioning from slash T1. It's a resistance zone. Um, it's a weak approach. It's a volumed manipulation bar. And in 5 minutes, it looks like it's gonna close with no break. But we didn't know it then yet. Long impulse, volume T1, transition from T1, resistance zone, volume manipulation bar. And it's counter trend. And yeah, um, and that's an aggressive trade. It's a long impulse. It's um, long impulse. It's a weak approach. It's a volumed. It's not the biggest, but it's a volume T1. Volumed T1. It's a resistance level. It's a sorry, I'm talking to the okay, I'm back to the full screen. It's a resistance level. It's zone, resistance zone. It's weak approach. 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 It's biggest volume to bar up thrust minus. It's a weak test and it's a very strong resumption. I don't know if it's good or bad. Mm, uh, it's a first bearish bar close entry. One to it's a calculated. It's a real affordable stop loss. It's one to two risk to reward. Take profit. Um, it's aggressive trade and it's an two bar up thrust. Two bar up thrust. Uh, oh, and my Intel is closed. You guys, that's historical. That's a historic event. After freaking how many years? Uh, 2004. So my stop loss is, yeah, I think that should have stopped me really. Stop loss. One to two risk to reward. Negative. Plus. Okay, that's been logged. Let's share it with the world. That's weird. In 5 minutes, detail is not that terrible. I failed to estimate whether this tail is good or bad. Let's share it with the world. Thing 5 minutes. It comes in the end. 5 minute aggressive day trade. PM 1 hour counter trend. 1 day 1 day trend. 1 month trend. Manipulated. And 1 year counter, 1 year counter trend. It's short. Oh, by the way, aggressive short day trade. Short trend analysis, wave analysis, technical indicators. Show more text. Thing. Short. Oh, yeah. Short setup. I've learned something new from Via Hermosa price volume analysis. There is spread. There's VSA volume spread analysis, and there's separately price volume analysis. Volume spread analysis. Why? Ooh, Wyckoff. What else? Support and resistance zones. Technical analysis for sure. Supply and demand. Cause and no, effort and result. Effort versus result. It's all right. Thing. All right, let's just what was short investment swing. Anyway, okay. All right. We're in this trade. And huh. How come it 48.34 was my exit? Oh no. No, that wasn't. Oh, okay. Pending orders. Okay. Too early to celebrate. No, I'm not out of the Intel yet. But what I've learned is that I've lost my sell order. 48.35. Huh. No, I have this order. It's just not showing in my activity in orders. That's weird. Oh, okay, I see it. 48.19. Why is it 48.19? Let it be. I cannot go to extent of re-evaluating these calculations. There's multiple trades. I'll just go with my order. Okay. Severe and Fang. And where was it? Oh, it was here, right? And I was exploring. Meantime, this thing cut it down. It's like nothing happened. as if there were no level at all. What I was trying to say. And also, I want to show it to my trading coach. Damn. Okay. This is not right. Mr. Don't belong here. Uh, it's gonna be continuation of the, oops, sorry. This thing can go. This thing can go. That's 0.5. Um, volume spring. So technically, what can you do with the market like this? Absolutely nothing. Ah, oh, na 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 na. Absolutely nothing. That's interesting. This is interesting. About to break and go down. Um, yeah. Um, this guy is at the test level right now. Mhm. Is it the test level? Of hourly volume distribution is not great. I mean, it's good, but there is this guy right in the middle, right? Sticking out. And here also configuration of up thrust is not the best. Come on. And this thing goes up. I was gonna say that it is good for yeah, not for daily though. Not for daily. Uh, it was ACN. This guy, there was something about this guy. Why is it good for a continuation of the trend? And the whole build up is weird. It's a weak approach, but yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Volume distribution is not the best. It's not the best. What's going on here? Continuation of the trend, but super weak. Long time balance. I love it. Weak approach. Absolutely weak approach. Volume, biggest volume T1. Not the biggest, but very significant volume. Probably the weak approach. It is. Yeah. Volume to one bar up thrust. Everything looks great here, actually, after test. Yeah. Coincidence of the levels, maybe beautiful, irregular volume distribution. Two bar up thrust. And that's all right because then we go lower. We test it, and that was an entry. And this was a trade. Very similar to Fang. Look at this volume, and then now though, transition extremum. Now this is the level. Now it's still doable, the coincidence of the levels. It's still doable just like this. Um, counter trend, counter trend, but long, long balance. A big fat juicy accumulation campaign, and there's a bunch of space to. Has there room to go? Is all I'm saying. All I need is love tonight. Can end up with the volume. This is all good, I think. It's doable. Look at this guy. That's good for a test. Both are good. Wait. Where is this? For a quick short trade, like this. The both are good. Okay. Do we have a problem? So it's not like the 0.5, but this is 0.5. I don't know if we do. I see in. Action. Is the quick trade. Okay. In. Stop price. Uh, Stop loss and profit taker. Mm. And we'll do the just like this. X in my bill. X in my bill. X in my bill. Action so short. Okay. We'll go with stop loss and take profit based based of supposed entry. However, I'd add more. Okay, let's describe all of this now. And my real entry is lower. That's my real entry. I'd add more if it actually upthrusts this level right now. It's no time to explain. I explain you later. Yeah, perfect 0.5. We can add more here. Um, gosh. What's Fang doing? It's going. I'm not sure about this guy because this 0.5 is hairy. And by the way, what was the real entry on? Let's now talk about all this. Uh, let's log all of this, starting, I think, with this guy, because after an upthrust, I should and could add more. Mm. I'll have to add on. Tail is, I don't know where this tail is. Interacting blockers. Um, 0.5. I like everything. No, no, no. So good. Let's move this guy to hours just for now and talk about the situation. It's not the biggest, so you'll need a test, at least, for this guy. Okay, so let's wait for a test. Meantime, uh, let's describe this thing. So, counter trend, counter trend, counter trend. It's a long, what? It's a long impulse. You have to go soon. Mm, it's a neutral zone type 2. That's it. It's trade number 4. It's 13th. It's a day trade. Right. It's a ExxonMobil trend. All right. It's counter trend. It's a long balance. It's a expanding spending creek. It's a resistance level, and that's it. It's a counter trend. D is it's 19th. D. It's counter trend. It's a long impulse. It's volume T1. It's a weak approach. Weak. Is it? I think it is. Weak approach. And that's it. Um, it's a resistance zone. Zone. Counter trend. It's let's remove this thing for now. Put it back on minutes. Describe this guy. And this guy. Volume distribution is not the best. It's on volume T1. It's a counter trend trade. It's a long impulse. It's unvolumed transition extremum slash T1. It's a weak it's a resistance level zone. It's a weak approach. Weak approach. And it's biggest volume upthrust. And we have test right now. Counter trend. That needed a test because it was not the biggest volume. So what we have here is aggressive counter aggressive trade. It's a long impulse. It's not really volumed. It's volumed. T1 is barely volumed, but it is volume, not the biggest volume. And it's the resistance level, and it's biggest volume irregular 2-bar upthrust plus, and it's a weak test, and it's below first bearish bar close entry, and it's calculated affordable stop loss, and it's less than wanted to risk the reward, take profit. Because I was supposed to enter here, but I did it here, so. Aggressive plus. So that's a test right now to what's the timestamp? 126.42 is my entry. 253.59 is my entry time. So my stop loss is this. Okay. And my take profit is why is this? Oh, okay. It's almost 1 to 1. What can I do? What can I do? Okay, and we have one more trade to describe. Oh, so the thing is here, now this is the level, and this is the test, and we are right. It's, yeah, bigger. It's not bad. It's the same like we have on Fang. So once this test is over, you're good to take more. Oh yeah. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. And that's ACN. Yeah. It's not even closed yet. Okay, let's describe this trade. This is good after a test, unless it's already been through. It's already reached its model potential, so maybe no. Yeah. We'll see about that. Okay, regardless, let's focus on uh, our log file, logbook. It's a counter trend. Counter trend. It's a long impulse. Boom. It's a 1-2 correction. And it's exhaustion volume of correction exhaustion volume. Yeah. Year's not good. When did it stop me? Day trade on ACN, right? Counter trend. Okay, here's our months. It's a trend. Uh, Short impulse. Exhaustion bar. It's exhaustion bar, exhaustion volume. Volume. Um, Strong approach. Strong. Why did I do this trade? Approach, approach. Um, yeah. Far from correction. Before. Before. Before correction. Yeah, it's doubtful what's going on here. It's a trend. Day. It's a counter trend. It's a long balance. It's expanding creek. It's the biggest volume upthrust, right? And that was an upside. It was a volumed expanding, volumed creek, volumed, biggest volume creek, biggest volume, 2-bar upthrust minus weak test, and it's a resistance zone. Counter trend. I think I forgot to. Oy. Someone is nervous. Strong approach before exhaustion volume. Strong approach. It's a sign of strength level, and it's a resistance level. Someone is nervous. I can tell. Um, and an hour we have sign of strength for an hour. We have this is not so. Come see, comes up. Um, it's a trend trade. Um, Plus, it's a short impulse. Mm, it's want to. It's an impulse, not the way impulse want a correction. It's a sign of strength test level. It's a weak approach. Weak approach. Is it? No. Yeah, it is. No, that's it. It's a resistance level. Resistance level. So it's 50% of the impulse correction, not the it's a trend, not the entire wave. Let's go to 5 minutes. It's an aggressive trade. Aggressive trade. T1 is not the biggest volume. We have S and also on M. We waited for test and a weak one. Aggressive trade. We have a long impulse. Sorry. Long impulse. And it's volumed T1. And it's a weak approach. It's a volume T1. It's a resistance zone. It's a volumed irregular 2-bar upthrust minus and a weak test. And first bearish bar close entry. Calculated affordable stop. Stop loss. Wanted to risk the reward, take profit. Okay, this is where we are. Dun, 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 dun. Um, 2:51 Eastern time. Oops. Risk to reward. Our profit. And our stop loss. Perfecto. So this is shareable now. Yeah, I missed this one. That's all right. Uh, mm, mm, mm. I gotta actually go. I missed this one, but it's all right. Yeah. All right. Um, some 5 minute short aggressive day trade. 1 hour. 1 hour counter trend. 1 hour counter trend. 1 day counter trend. Counter trend. 1 year, 1 month counter trend. Counter trend. 1 year counter trend. 1 year counter trend. Short trend analysis, technical indicator, wave analysis. Tax, we say volume, spread analysis, price, action, price, volume analysis, Wyckoff, support and resistance zones, short setup, home short, home, some, law, what? Supply and demand, effort and result, effort versus result. I think that's it, right? Take profit. Oh no, supply and demand, cause. No, there's no. What did I not add? It's enough. Those are like related. What is this? Thing. ACN. Yeah, I missed another one, another entry on this thing. That could have been shorter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Oh, wait. ACN. Hey, wow. Oh, now what happens? Yeah, it's hairy that it's not, it's like 0.5 of impulse, um not of the entire wave, but what can you do? ACN short 5 minute aggressive day trade. Day trade. 1 hour. 1 hour trend. Thanks God. 1 hour trend. 1 day counter trend. 1 month. Yeah, I gotta go. I know. Counter trend. 1 year. Oh, I missed it. Set once month. Earth impulse. And this is 1 year. Short trend technical wave. It's a wait. It's ACN, right? It's ACN. It's a VSA for sure. Volume spread analysis. Price volume analysis. It's a YCAF or like a modification of it's a short setup. It's a support and resistance zones. It's supply and demand for sure. Effort versus result. And that's a take profit. Oops, too much. Oops, wait, take profit. Okay. Uh, all the shorts for today are similar. Let's say I'm gonna go, go, go. Share this, share that. Okay, you guys go. I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Let me check. I have, yeah. Yeah, you guys take care for now.